Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah.
Alrighty, so we've got a 76 plastic spur and a 39 tooth pinion.
Ooh.
Brand new tires, a new motor, a car going by. I didn't know dumpsters could move that fast.
I didn't either. Dumpster got horsepower.
Let's go ahead and show. We got new tires, new rear tire. We got different front shocks set up. We got a new body, hand painted by me with a spray can. But it is RC paint. We got a new motor as of last episode, so it's only got a handful of runs on it. We got the GPS locked and loaded. 12 satellites are currently watching us, so some of them got to be China. You got to just assume. Someone in China is going to know the speed of this car. We should be able to hit 70 with this gearing and the new tires and the sleek paint job.
Yes. Flames add 5 horsepower. I don't see any flames, but I do see some. And so that should add at least 4.
Those are lightning little of those.
Yeah.
Lightning little of those. All right, here we go. Get ready for the run up. We got a car coming.
Let's see if this car crunches the Bandito.
Don't crunch. Oh, we got front lifted.
Jeez, that was fast. I couldn't even turn that fast.
Oh my God, it's so hard.
Hit her one more time. So she don't die.
I got Traxxas battery in there, so we got reliability now.
Good.
There we go.
The right voltage.
Every time it lifts up, I gotta let off.
Oh my gosh, it just jumped.
A 70-mile-an-hour wheelie jump.
What do you guys think it did? I think it at least did 72.
I'm saying 70 on the dot.
70 on the dot. She's already warm. Yep, tires are warm. Motor's on fire.
Is it?
Yeah.
Here we go.
What? 63?
No way.
With even a higher setup than
No
Traxxas says to do.
No way.
Only says 63.
You're right.
What?
I got the GNSS. Some people say the math isn't mathing on those. I don't have the one that you just like stick on and there's a little screen on it. I got the app one because it's cooler. But I don't know how exact it is.
We're up in gearing. Have the same battery they tell you to run.
Perfect. Bigger tires too.
Bigger tires, and it's still not hitting 70.
4 teeth higher. No.
One car sounds like about to explode. Is that a Kia?
Yes.
Yeah. Use. Yep.
The speed gear they tell you to run is a 33 tooth. And I have a 39 tooth.
Crazy.
Did you see that Ultima?
I did.
With different color bodies.
There's like 4 different colors.
Big Ultima energy. Bigger tires, much taller gear, new motor. It should be doing 70. Is it on fire?
The motor was pretty hot.
Oh yes, that is very hot. All right, we'll give her a little break and we'll try again.
All right, we got a little Rustler and Bandit action here. Now, I am going to focus on driving over filming.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, you definitely got me with that pinion. Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll make up for it with a speed run. We're wobbling, look at that. The Bandit's on a 39 pinion gear. I'm on stock gearing. Good this one.
So we're gonna have to make a high speed, long turn past us.
All right, I see this tree. That's all I'm trying to avoid.
Russell sees that tree too.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
You absolutely left me on that one.
Every time it lifts, I gotta let off.
Yeah, but you left me, man. Watch this catch up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh god.
We're still going.
Oh wow.
That's pinned.
I can only do like 85 to 90% throttle.
Yeah. Those Kumo tires are hooking up though. I feel like I have you for a second, and then I don't. Speed cars are fun.
Definitely gonna be on fire.
Woo. Oh yeah, my heat sink's on fire. Actually, dude, the motor's not bad. That's surprising.
What our plans were about this thing. 3, 2, 1, go!
We got a car though. You're gonna jog down there?
Oh yeah, I haven't exercised in a while.
She got the jog. The paint burnout marks.
From a previous video. You'll remember there's orange and brown.
Everywhere. Everywhere. Was that Baywatch?
I'm out of breath.
Hey, low power mode.
I figured you did.
Probably overheat mode, not low power.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah.